Hi. So, I've got some time. Actually, I don't know now, but I'm gonna go and get Dodd. And I had some time in between, like, Joe has an appointment at 4, so we might just get, like, some alone time. Which, I missed that the most from being in Arizona. We were, like, 10 minutes away from the shelter. I could just run down there and grab a dog and, like, sit in the yard there just by myself. Like, the therapy, as I ate my fingers, the therapy. Ugh. And I'm just realizing too, I might look a little crazy. I don't think you could even tell. I watched some YouTube tutorial this morning of how not to like look too old with your makeup, and I only did half my face. And I think I could tell. I'm sure you guys can't, but yeah, you can. Here we are, and off we go. I went to look up to be like, I can see. I don't know if you guys remember Harley from Harley and Erica, the two that were seized when they got out of the house and a dog got killed. There weren't many witnesses, obviously, but anywho, the owner went to jail to like save them from being euthanized, and they had to leave the state, so the bully crew took them, blah blah blah. So Harley, when I leave my block, if I look over to the right, I can see his house. I know where he lives. I was like this psycho. I see this dog and I look at the butt. I'm like, I know that butt. I believe that is Harley's butt. I drove past and I looked at the face. I was like, it was hard to tell, honestly, because not that he was underweight, skinny, not eating at the shelter, but he had stress shelter weight, you know? He was ribby, and again, that's not a bad thing, but now this dog looked like healthy and loved and like looked junk, but still, like, I knew his face, and I just pulled over. I was like, I don't know if you can hear me because of the damn window. I pulled over. I was like, excuse me, sir, I'm not crazy. And he's like, okay. And Harley looks at me, and he yanked his owner's arm off his shoulder and tried to jump through the window to get to me. And the guy's like, oh my God. I was like, is this Harley from the bully crew? He's like, his name's Toka now. I'm like, but it was Harley? He's like, yeah. I was like, he goes, he doesn't do this with anybody. I was like, I know, we love each other. Like, what? Psycho. Could you imagine you're walking your dog? Yeah, right, you adopted it, so maybe other people might know who your dog is, but like, if that happened, I'd be like, stand down, psycho. But anyhow, I know I can see Harley's little house, and I get to see him trot sometimes, and he's so loved, and his owner brings him to training. He still can't like be with other dogs exactly, but his owner is really working on it. Like, classic 100%, 10 out of 10, 8,000 million trillion out of 10, what you want for every dog that leaves. My heat is on, that's why I'm dying. Oh my God. I am aiming to go get Dodd. We're gonna bring him home. Hopefully I get a little one-on-one time with him before Joe gets home. If not, whatever. We might go live, I don't know. I feel like when I'm live, I'm just like answering comments and stuff, which is fine, but I feel like I miss out on like hanging out with them. So we'll see. That moment when like, you know, you had ice in your drink, but still something goes in your mouth and you're like, was that ice? Do I want to swallow that? Do I just pretend nothing's happening? Spider. I don't know if, like, you know those things when you're like, am I just used to the smell, or is it bad? I was just driving and like the window's open and it's like finally able to be open. You know, it's been cold, so the window's been closed, and I just get like a whiff, and I'm like, is that just like, is that what my truck smells like? Am I smelling like that when I get out of my truck? It's just the smell of shelter love, I guess. I've been enjoying the quiet. Like, normally I get in and I plug in my phone and I've got to have like a podcast on, or a Spotify, or some kind of noise or whatever. I think he was cooling his fries. I'm like, what the fuck? This guy pulls out McDonald's and he's going like this, like out the window with his fries, like as if he was handing them to me. But what would make a little bit more, go ahead, go, you had to go. When people jump a red light to turn in front of you, he was probably trying to cool his fries maybe, I don't know. Either way, I would have taken some, but we didn't get close enough and you drove away. Yes, I bring a mug with me. It's a talent I have that I can count how many times I've spilled. Like even like a little bloop. I've dumped an entire mug maybe twice in my life. I think my dad did this. He always kept his coffee on the dashboard. Here. He kept his coffee on the dashboard. It was always a mug. My phone's getting too hot. How? And we've got the man and the lip. Thank you, Bubba. And you're just gonna go pass out back there. This will be a super uneventful drive. Dodd is cake. I don't know why he's here. Sir? Too hot? Let's move. Hold on, baby boy. Are you gonna try to come up here? You never try. Oh, okay. You can sit with me. Yeah. All right. There you go, Dodd. Yeah, sit down. Whoop. Window seat, please. Never gets old. Thank you, baby. Oh, thank you. Like, how chill are dogs? You know, if someone were to drop by your house and like put a leash around your neck and be like, all right, come on, you'd be like, whoa, whoa, whoa. Where are we going? Is there food? Who's going to be there? What is the weather like? Do I need a jacket? I have questions. Dad was like, go sit in the car for a half an hour where I don't even know where I'm going to end up and I just have my stranger friend with me. Okay. Sniff, 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 sniff. What's all these? There's so many babes, Dad. What do you think about all this, Daddy? That's nice, huh? Whoop, careful. Sniff, 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 sniff. Sniff, sniff. You're welcome, baby. You're welcome. You're welcome. Want some sips? Thank you. Off he goes. You're welcome. Can you take this off? Off me. Off me. Oh, yeah. Yeah, baby. Okay, yeah. Really. You're welcome, baby. You're welcome. Watch that shoulder, okay? Thank you. My boy. This is great. This ain't so bad, huh, Dodd? How sweet, Dodd. You're a sweet little Dodd. Are you naked? When's the last time you were naked? Fluff it? Oh. Fluff and fold. Fluff and fold. We're losing him. There he is. Oh. Stop. He picked a tiny baby bed. Are you kidding, sir? Staring over his kingdom. He's a really easy dog. Sir? Oh God, please don't find like a little animal. Dodd. He found something. And I'm terrified. Oh my God. This my good boy is so gentle. He's so gentle. He's so gentle. Come on, get some sips. Oh gosh, careful. There you go. Dog came in hot too. These puppies. There's just so much to take in. It's okay, yeah, there you go. You know you. Just so much for them to take in, like mentally. They don't, you know, like sometimes the mental stimulation is so minimal. Everything makes them like, ah. He likes using the little beds as pillows. Is that a nice pillow? That's okay, that could be your pillow. This can be a lot for them mentally. You know, even like physically, yeah, but mentally, because, you know, they wake up, they go for their walk, they get fed, they sit and they wait, and then maybe they go for another walk and they get fed, and then they sit and wait, and then you bring them for a half an hour car ride. There's a huge yard with all these new smells to sniff. He got excited at the tree, started digging a little, but he stopped. Now we're just gonna chill on a bed, maybe. Easy. Thank you, baby. Away. Oh, Dad. Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you. Oh, them slobbies. Thank you. And then the butthole. Just trying to use the leash to keep him a little more familiar too. It's just overwhelming. We forget how simple their life is. Breakfast, walk, dinner, walk. That's it. But this they know. They know the leash, so give them a little piece of familiar. This might not be familiar to him. I don't know if he was someone's dog, you know? You hear something. Children freak him out. Children noises that sound like cats. You know, the noise. Kids sound like cats, I swear. I swear. He thinks he found where there's like voles or something. Because there's like trails through this whole yard where like your foot will sink in. See, he stops. He's just nosy and wants to see what's in these little holes. And now he's making me think our house is gonna sink in from all the little creatures digging their ways underneath that he was trying to get to. It is what it is. How sweet. How sweet. How sweet Dodd. My sweet Dodd. Yeah. He's my sweet Dodd. He's so hard. I wish he would have more sleeps. I wish he would. Come here, Billy. Crazy in the pants. You're looking crazy in the pants. You got it. You got it. Oh, for God bless. In the windows. You can look out the window. Come on up. There you go. Relax. I'm going to stay still so he stays still. Yes, sweet boy. Okay. Yeah. You got it, sweet boy. Oh, thank you. Oh, you're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome, buddy. Okay. Mama. You wanna make it sweet, man? Yeah, switch sides. Whoa. I've never heard him bark. Huh? Was that your bark? Was that your little bark? My hair is out of control. Oh, he can't really see out the windows. That's a little weird, huh? That's gotta be weird. Like, he hears all these noises, but he can't see what it is. No wonder you guys go crazy. Oh my god, I'm sorry. I just sat on his foot. And his tail starts wagging. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to sit on your foot. God, lay down. Ah, down goes Dottie. Down goes Dottie. Like, you don't think about that either, that they'll hear all these noises going on, but there's not really a window for all of them to see out and to, like, understand what the noise is. See? He has no idea, like, he doesn't know if he has to defend himself or if it's good. Too many dogs. Too many doggies, right, Dodd? My poor man. Go outside, make sure everything's okay. Yeah. Yeah. Come on, let's go make sure everything's alright. Sir's home.
Boy, Dodd. Dodd.
Oh.
Pushing all his weight into my leg.
You're perfect, handsome. Look at that perfect, handsome. Look at those boys.
My buddy.
He goes, I'm a gummy bite ya.
I know. You're going to nibble my chin.
What?
Whoa.
Yeah. Whoa.
Good boy.
What do you got? Oh, oh. Oh, he's stuck.
I got you.
This is good, bud. They think he's slobbies.
Yes, I
Oh,
love
that was a burp, huh?
it. Oh, man.
Oof.
Boy.
Yeah, he likes to throw himself a little bit.
My
Get him,
handsome.
Dad.
Oh, come
Get
here,
him, Dad.
handsome. Come here, my handsome.
Did you hear his bark?
Oh, no.
It's such a... He's like...
Oh.
I have it on there for like a second. Sweet Dad, let's do cups, Dad.
Dad. You got it. Come on. Good boy. Whoa. Oh, God. Good boy. Is that good? Yeah, good boy.
Hey, thanks. It's so, like, twisted. Dottie.
Yeah, there you go.
Oh, look at that. Bonus. Puppy. Oh, there was one on the floor.
Oh, you got it?
It's so good.
Ooh, that lip.
I don't chew nothing.
Can I peel that lip
Chewing's
off?
for babies. Amateurs.
Ooh, no, stay.
He's looking up under the bed.
Oh.
God. We hear that tail, sir.
Yeah,
We hear that tail, handsome.
yeah, good boy. Oh my good boy. Yes. Oh my.
He's the sweetest. Why are you still here?
Right.
Why no one wants you but us, and we can't have you? Why, my laddie daddy? Why?
Hey, get some fish. Easy, bud.
And he's gonna throw up. Oh, it's still recording. Good times were had by Dodd. Oh my goodness, buddy. Okay, let's go.
Hi, handsome. Yeah.
Because he's laddie daddy. He likes to party. He don't cause trouble and he don't bother nobody. He just a puppy looking for a home. I feel like spraining my arm. This was Dodd. even know what put me out. Put him has to be bad.
Hi, buddy.
Hey, oh
Oh, hi, handsome.
my god.
Yeah.
Hey, up you goes.
Hi, buddy. Easy, easy.
I just need a cat nap. I'm ready to go.